Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do our top 5 favorite HIIT exercises. So let's start out with the battle rope. We want to make sure that we put our hips back, keep our shoulder blades pinched so we have a straight back. And then now we're going to lift one arm up, try to make a wave, lift the other arm up, try to make a wave. Keep those knees bent. We want our waves to go smooth all the way down. Now for standard plyos, we're going to put our inside leg behind our outside leg, reach down with our inside hand towards our outside toe, explode up and over. Once this foot lands, the other foot goes behind, and you repeat. Now for the up-down plank, we're going to get down into plank position on our elbows. From here, lift one hand up to its palm and press your body up to the other. Then now you're going to take that same hand, drop that elbow, and then come back down to low plank. For the sled, we're just going to push down on the high end and then bring it back on the low end until the time runs out. So we're going to start off on the high end, driving those knees. For our med ball slams, we're just going to take the ball over our head and then slam it as hard as we can to try to get it to pop back up to around chest height. Take it back overhead and go again. Now there's a quick tutorial for our top 5 favorite HIIT exercises. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 HIIT exercises, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.